Welcome, here I've got REALME GT NEO2 and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to stay here and move a little bit up to this small button under the upper settings bar. Just sliding on it we get access here to more options about camera we can manage, with camera frame option at the second position. So here we can manage our aspect ratio. We are in 4:3, let's move to 1:1, and now as you can see the background has changed to the square one. Another slide down and we can move to full one, so we have full camera frame, full aspect ratio, and here we can also pick 16:9, a little bit shorter than full. And of course you can stay on whatever you need here. Now let me move back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and give the thumbs up.